one of you are the source of joy, happiness, hearing, caring for hundreds of people, for thousands of people, millions of people. And Chairman says we need to touch 1 billion lives. So what we've achieved is but a training program for what we need to aspire and do in the future. But life is a series of milestones, and your milestones cannot be left unmentioned. Every single one of you, from the cardiac surgery side to orthopedics to neurosciences to the support system of lab, urology, I cannot mention each specialty, super specialty, emergency medicine, critical care. But what we do mention is that we are stronger as a collective whole, as the Apollo Health City, as the Apollo family, who has been tasked by the group to create medical excellence with a human touch and to be the biggest, the best, and the most beautiful institution in the group. And I know that you are in the process of making this happen. When the first pujas began in the house before we came to the temple, you know the chairman and all of us do not say thank you because you are family. We don't congratulate every single moment because we know that is your capability and that is your history and your destiny. It is your destiny to reach out and touch lives and to cure and care people. But what we do every day, daddy and mummy and every single one of us, in the sankalpam of the prayer where you mention every family member, it starts with chairman, it goes down to the youngest child who happens to be my son. But the important one which ends is the Sankalpam for Apollo Kutumbam. That means every single one of you are remembered. Every day, in every prayer, in every temple, in every thought, each one of you and your families are remembered. I can say no more than that. We are together, the country needs us, the world is looking at us, and we will live up to those aspirations. As we mark another beautiful beginning of a relationship with the University of Rochester, which is yet one more way of chairman to telescope, to fast forward, because he says use jet fuel, get there faster. So with the University of Rochester, we will once again jumpstart our level of excellence by 2 or 3 more degrees, and as was rightly said by their iconic CEO, who is not here today with us, but whose spirit is represented in his wonderful team. He said, I'm looking at this, that we will give all of you the best of expertise we will know, that we know, but we will learn as much. So the responsibility is both ways. So doctors, nurses, administrators, please understand that Rochester, the relationship with Rochester is a two-way, and we will share as we will learn. And finally, coming to this very special program, all of you know that the concept of preventive healthcare is very close to Chairman's heart. And he has something very special to announce in the aspect of screening. But the Healthy Schools program takes a small bit of his ideology and a large bit of his passion, which is reach out and touch our children. So to screen the children of our city, our state, and ultimately the country, the Healthy Schools initiative is a partnership with Munich Health Insurance because it has 2 special things. We not only screen children and keep them healthy, but in addition, with insurance, we're giving them a right to emergency care. The health insurance coverage says that every child in the program and their parents have a right to walk into an Apollo emergency room if they ever need it, and we will do the best that the world has to offer. So this is a dual benefit of screening and staying healthy and emergency medicine. I'm happy that we're starting off this, and we have completed the screening at the Zilla Parishad School in Anjaya Nagar. This is one of the government schools. The payment required for it has been taken care of by the Apollo Philanthropy Division and the Dr. Reddy Foundation, because we believe that every child, irrespective of socioeconomic status, should have access to good health care. I'm also extremely happy that the Oak Ridge School, The very best school in our city is part of this program, and we have with us the principal and one of the founding partners. Nirmala School, Tarapurwala, again an iconic school in the state, are all part of this program, and we expect to have the entire state covered. And from here, this program will span the country. And each one of you make it happen. Thank you all so much. Have a wonderful silver anniversary, and we will live up, Chairman Sir, to all your dreams. To every promise we have made you, to every promise that we've made our patients, we will live up to those expectations. On behalf of all of you, namaste.